Welcome to the deep dive. So today we are strapping in for a really fascinating look into the world of viral products.
Mm-hmm.
We're talking about the CloudAlign Pillow. I'm sure you've seen it. It came out of nowhere, became TikTok's #1 seller in just 3 months.
Just exploded. Over 1 million views, endorsements from chiropractors, the whole 9 yards.
Exactly. The buzz is huge, but here's the question we kept coming back to. How did this pillow drop its price from supposedly $100 down to $49 almost overnight?
And is it actually worth the money?
Right. Is it worth it when you cut through all that social media hype?
And that's our mission for this deep dive. We're going to unpack the sources you shared and really try to separate the solid biomechanical claims from the very savvy marketing tactics.
Just from the company behind it, right. Mellow Sleep LLC.
That's the one, based in Dover, Delaware.
Okay, so let's unpack the design first. The core idea here, it addresses a pretty universal problem, actually.
Yeah, the irregular pillow is probably hurting your neck.
Exactly, forcing your spine into these unnatural angles. The CloudAlign Pillow says it counters this with what they call a patent-pending 6-zone contour system.
Which is a very fancy way of saying it has targeted support.
Huh?
It cradles your head, but keeps that natural C curve in your neck.
And it seems genuinely tailored to different sleepers. It has these dual height sides. One side is 3.5 inches for back sleepers.
And if you flip it over.
You get 4.3 inches. Perfect for side sleepers. The materials sound impressive, too. Cloud Soft Core memory foam that doesn't flatten, and the cover is Okotex certified.
Meaning no harmful substances.
Oh.
And it's machine washable, which is always a plus.
Always.
And critically, the performance reviews seem to back all of this up. Trustpilot shows a really strong 4.7-star average. We're talking nearly 300 reviews.
And people are saying their chronic neck pain just disappeared.
Within a week, yeah. Many of them.
Right.
And what makes this so compelling, especially at that price, is that the sources note it performs like a Tempur-Pedic or a Purple pillow.
Which can cost, what, $150, $200?
Easily. So at $49, that's what the sources are calling a massive value gap.
Okay, but this is where it gets really interesting. That famous 50% discount.
The one that's always running?
Always. The sources are crystal clear on this.
Yeah.
The original $100 list price is, well, it's basically fictional.
It was never $100.
Nope. That discount has been running permanently since launch. The $100 price only exists to make $49 look like an incredible deal. $49 is the real price.
Wait, so this isn't a sale. It's just the MSRP presented as a sale. That completely validates that feeling you get, that the first price you see is just there to anchor you.
It's pure psychology.
And while the product itself seems legitimate, that kind of marketing, can create some unrealistic expectations.
How so?
Well, the shine comes off a little bit when you look past the pillow itself and into the actual buying experience. Multiple reviews mention needing, say, 3 to 7 nights to fully adjust.
That seems reasonable.
It is, but a small percentage never adjust, and they end up requesting refunds. And that's where we saw some recurring issues.
Let me guess. Customer service.
And logistics. Complaints about shipping delays and customer service response times were inconsistent, ranged from super helpful to just, non-existent.
Oh, and I saw this in the sources. If you do send it back, there's a fee, right?
Yep. There's a $10 processing fee on refunds.
So let's tie this all together for you. What does this actually mean? The CloudAlign is, by all accounts, an ergonomically solid pillow. Real endorsements, good materials, and it's priced at $49.
But that massive constant discount.
It's just a powerful marketing hook. It's designed to create urgency and make you feel like you're getting a steal.
So if we connect this to the bigger picture, at $49, if you have legitimate neck pain, it seems worth trying. Just be prepared for the actual total risk.
Which is closer to $60 if you factor in that refund fee.
Right. And you might have to deal with some potential friction with shipping or customer service. It's a bit of a gamble.
This whole deep dive really highlights a pattern, doesn't it? Especially in that direct-to-consumer online world.
It really does. And it leaves you with the final thought to mull over. Given that the $39 price is the real constant price, what does it say about us as consumers when companies have to use fake permanent discounts just to establish value?
It makes you question what you're actually paying for.
Exactly. Versus the price you're being told you avoided paying. Something to think about.